If you're seeing a Stripe API error, it usually means your website or app can't communicate properly with Stripe. Yeah, this can happen because of invalid API keys, outdated endpoints, or network issues. But don't worry, I'll show you how to fix Stripe API errors fast, step by step. First, read the exact error message in your Stripe dashboard or API logs. This tells you whether it's an authentication error, rate limit, or invalid request. Make sure your API keys are correct for the environment you're using. Using test keys in production or live keys in development will trigger API errors. Ensure your code is calling the correct Stripe API endpoint and using a supported API version. Outdated versions can cause errors with certain requests. Make sure your server can reach Stripe's servers. Blocked ports or network issues can prevent API calls from completing. After verifying everything, retry your API request. Temporary network glitches or Stripe service interruptions can sometimes cause one-off errors. If the API error persists, contact Stripe support. They can review your API logs and help fix the problem quickly. And that's it. Following these steps usually fixes Stripe API errors fast, so your payments and integrations work smoothly. If this helped you, feel free to like the video and check out the channel for more Stripe troubleshooting tutorials.